video is going to work as a to-do list for myself and a what to expect for you guys. This car needs to get detailed on the inside. I have left it for quite a while. I've cleaned it here and there, but it is now covered in dust and it's looking, well, it's not looking good. So I want to get that fixed. The lights, I want to change where the lights are and how they're mounted, because now I've got good headlights in the car. I can move the pod lights and the light bar into different locations from where I had it. When I'm doing that, I need to fix all the electrical, because I threw these lights in within like an hour or so, and I didn't do the electrical well. I just put it in to get it going, just so I could have it for the night run. And they worked, and they're still working, but they're definitely not where I want them to be. They're not. Yeah, the cabling's not good. We'll fix it. I'm going in a loop there. Oh man, I have so much to fix on the truck that I bashed or banged. There's quite a bit of rust spots that I want to take care of. We'll be doing that this summer. So many things this summer we need to take care of. Rust. I'm gonna weld in some rock rails. Get those going. Get some rock rails in. We'll do some skid plates this year. And then we'll do some general maintenance once we can take a look at the car underneath when there's no puddles and ice all over the road. So that'll be quite nice to do. We've got several road trips in the works. There's a big one that I kind of know the dates of. It is September, October. I will be in BC, starting off in Canmore. And from there, who knows what we're doing. But if you want to collaborate or work or book me for work out in BC, I'll be taking bookings for end of September and October. So that'll be a fun one. I'm quite looking forward to that. Now, to make those road trips a little bit nicer, I am going to be taking the cargo trailer that we have and modifying it to be a little camper. So far, I've got it mapped out for the floor space and how and where everything's going to potentially go. It's still full of stuff. The family needs to get it out by the end of April, and that's when I want to have it all taken apart. I want to put insulation in. I'm going to map out how much insulation I need, and then clean it up and get it all painted and a bed in there. It's going to be good. It'll be a bit of a journey, but we'll get that one all rolling too. Do some general maintenance on it as well. Just grease the axles or something. Not too much on that one. Yeah. Road trips. We have one. We're planning to go south. I think it was the Badlands. Now, I do want to try to get the trailer ready for that, and that one's happening sooner than later. So if you do have ideas and want to come along for that, let me know. There's a few of us that are just down to go. So I might need to get the trailer up and running and rolling as a little camper, even half finished, as long as there's a bed in there, within the next couple of weeks. What else? I want to check the brakes, because they're feeling soft. Probably all the off-road we do is definitely using the brakes up more. I haven't changed them. It's only been 60,000 kilometers, so they should still be good, but they are feeling softer. So I'm going to take a look at that as well. That's all for today. That's our updates for 2025 this summer, and I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's going to be an amazing year. I've met so many people over the last couple of years for the off-road stuff, and I can't wait to get making summer content, camping. That's gonna be good. Okay, I'm Trevor. Follow along for the journeys. Click the little bell button, and I'll see you later. Bye.